This will be Will Guide 5. Now, once we're through with all of that theological section, which is a great section filled with all kinds of good things and cross references, we come to another extremely useful section of this book, which is people in the Old Testament, which is quite long, and then people in the New Testament, which is quite long. Now, what he does with each person in here, let's say Abednego, Abednego, chronological summary of his whole life is given all the way down through in different numbers and so forth, and gives all of his life and so on and so forth. And then when you get to the end of that, it has statistics. Now that, first of all, with all the cross references in that Abednego section is great. Then statistics. First mentioned Daniel 1:7. Jewish name was Azarah. First mentioned Daniel 3:30, meaning of his name, servant of Nego. That's one of the important things. Every single person gets the meaning of his name. That's where the proper understanding of the language of the time comes to. Referred to 20 times. Biblical books mentioning him, one book, Daniel. Occupation, political leader, Daniel 3:30. Place of birth, Judah, Daniel 1:1-6. Place of death, Babylon. Important facts of his life. He was preserved in the fiery furnace by Christ himself. Daniel 3:23-25. Now, one can go through any person in the Bible and find out their names, their whole history of life with cross references, and then all the statistics where they're mentioned, the name of their name, and how they're important. Now, this is all long because you go through everyone in the Bible from the Old Testament to the New Testament, and some are quite long. For example, Abraham, that has a lot in it, quite long. So that is another section in this Bible that is extremely helpful and extremely useful.